Is it safe to sleep with a dehumidifier in the room?
Hello, sleep enthusiasts. Today, we're going to be diving into an interesting question. Is it safe to sleep with a dehumidifier in the room? Dehumidifiers are great for reducing moisture in the air and can be quite beneficial in certain situations. But are there any hidden dangers associated with using one at night while you sleep? Let's find out.
What does a dehumidifier do?
Firstly, it's important to understand the role of a dehumidifier. A dehumidifier is a household appliance that reduces the level of humidity in the air. High levels of humidity can cause problems such as mold growth, dust mites, and increased allergens. So, in essence, a dehumidifier can help create a healthier environment in your home.
Is it safe to sleep with a dehumidifier on?
Now, onto the main question. Is it safe to sleep with a dehumidifier in the room? The short answer is, generally, yes, it is safe. Most modern dehumidifiers are designed to be safe for use around the clock. However, this isn't to say there aren't any potential risks or factors you should consider.
What are the potential risks?
While dehumidifiers are safe, there are a few things to keep in mind. If a dehumidifier is used excessively, it can lower the humidity to uncomfortable levels, leading to dry skin, irritated eyes, and exacerbated respiratory issues. Plus, dehumidifiers can also produce some noise, which might disrupt light sleepers. Lastly, dehumidifiers use heat to dry the air, and while this process is generally safe, if a dehumidifier is not maintained properly, it could potentially be a fire risk. So, be sure to regularly clean and maintain your dehumidifier, and follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure safety.
How to use a dehumidifier safely at night?
To use a dehumidifier safely at night, 1. Set the right humidity level. The ideal indoor humidity level is between 30% to 50%. Setting your dehumidifier within this range will ensure comfort and safety. 2. Choose a quiet model. If noise is a concern for you, consider investing in a quieter model or placing it a bit further from your bed. 3. Regular maintenance. Regularly check and clean your dehumidifier to prevent any potential hazards. 4. Ensure good ventilation. Make sure your room is well ventilated to avoid over-dehumidification. By following these guidelines, you should be able to sleep with a dehumidifier in your room safely. In conclusion, yes, it is generally safe to sleep with a dehumidifier in your room, but it's important to use it wisely. Proper maintenance and correct usage can help avoid any potential problems and ensure you reap the benefits of a dehumidifier without any drawbacks. Remember, a comfortable environment is key to a good night's sleep. So, here's to healthier, more comfortable nights ahead. Sweet dreams!